Welcome. For this class, we are going to be using Canva and CapCut. So do download these two apps and then sign up. We are going to use Canva first to design a poster. So when you've signed up into your Canva, this is how it will look like. I want to design a poster, so I'm going to just choose one of these Instagram posts here. You can just look around and use any one of your choice. Now, this is the poster I want to work on. On Canva, all you do is tap on whatever you want to replace, edit it with the text you want, and then anyone you don't want, tap on it and click on delete. It's very easy to use. So just tap, edit, and change it to what you want. When you double tap on a text, it's already open for editing, but in case your own doesn't work that way, just click on it and click on edit. When the text are too big, just look down where you have options. You're going to see font size. Click on it and then reduce your font. You can also change the font. Just use the options you have down there to set it the way you want it. Every other thing you don't want on the poster, just tap on it and then click on delete. You can also move things around, use your own design sense, and then save with this arrow here. To design my second flyer, I'm going to go to this three dots here, go back and go to home, then choose another design. You can use the same design if you want, but you have a lot to choose from. This is a free version and I still have a lot to choose from. So just like you did before, tap, edit, replace with what you want, delete what you don't want. Go to the options you have down below to change the font size or change the font. I can fit and adjust by just going to the edge and dragging it. I can also hold it in the middle and move it around just to fit it where I want it to be. I'm going back to Canva to make a video. When you open your Canva, you're going to see the video options there. You can also come to the search bar and search for mobile video. I want to use this. Now what you're going to do is anyone you select, the area you're working on, the area you want to change, tap on it and then choose what you want. Like this one, I'm changing the color to black, and then I'm going to delete this picture in the middle so that I can change it to my own. So I'm going to select it and go to delete. Now to use a picture of my own, all I have to do is click on this plus sign and then go to elements. When I get to elements, I want to use a phone, so I will type phone. If you know what you want, just search it there. I'm not using the picture of my phone, I'm using the picture that is provided by Canva. So I'm going to use this particular phone here, and here it is. Every other thing on my screen that I don't want, I'll just tap and delete. You can also zoom your workspace by just using your two fingers to expand the screen. That's how you zoom. Just use two of your fingers and expand it. Then I want to make these things so many. So as I'm clicking on this plus sign, it is just multiplying. I'm now going to get those posters we made to show on this screen. I'll just click on the phone and then click on replace and then come to gallery and select the picture I created, the flyer I created. You can see. So tap on the picture you imported and just drag it to adjust it. So just like that, I've created one video. I want to create a second part of the video, so I'll just tap on this video down here and click on duplicate to get a second version. Now on this second version, I'll tap on the screen, go to replace and choose the second poster that I want. I have what I want. All I have to do is click on this download button and download the video. But that's not all we are going to do. We are still going to go back home to create another interactive video. So click on these three stuff, go to home, and you come back to your Canva. Now I'm going to type chat video because I want a kind of video that has a chat like features. On this search bar, type whatever it is you want. You're going to see a lot of options. So when you see the one you want, tap on it. In that way you are selecting it and it will come to your workspace. And as usual, what we are going to do is to edit and replace with what we want. So whatever it is you want to change, tap on it and edit. I want to drag this yellow bar down, but I selected it and I noticed that everything is in the same group, so you can't select one. Now what I have to do is to ungroup it. The moment I click on group, I'll be able to drag only one and bring it down. You can say I'm applying the same process here. Then I'm going to change this picture to my own. Just tap on the picture and click on replace. Go to gallery and choose any image in your gallery and replace it with the one there. Select the image and then move it to adjust it the way you want. After that, I'll delete every other thing on the screen because I don't want them anymore. So just select delete. Select every other thing you don't want and delete. If you still want to adjust it, then select and edit. It's as simple as that. Now I've gotten the video I want. So what I'll do is just to go to this arrow and download. Now it's time for the last part of the video. We're going to use CapCut for this. So when you come to CapCut, go to new project, and then it's going to automatically take you to your videos, the videos you have on your phone. I'm going to select the two videos I made on Canva that I've downloaded, this and this. The first thing I'm going to do in CapCut is to choose the ratio of my video. So this ratio set it whether you want it to be in real form or square shape. Now this video, I want it to stop after 3 seconds, so I'm going to click on it and then split at the point where I want it to stop. I want this other last video to come in between, so I'll just drag it, just hold it and drag it and bring it to the middle. So now look at how the video is. This first one, this one is now the second one, and then anywhere I want this one to stop, I'm going to select, split, and then delete. Make sure the part you're deleting is the selected part. Now you see. So then this part again, I want it to start here, so I'm going to split and delete this part that I don't want. Now this is what I have. The next thing I'm going to do is to add a sound. So just come to audio. When you come to audio, click on sounds, then it will bring you to this place. Now you have the options of choosing music from TikTok or from your device or in a song you've saved, or you can also choose from up here. Any sound you choose, just click on this plus button and it will be added to your video.
They're not ginger, you ginger yourself. Nobody clap for yourself. You self, you don't try for yourself. See many battles when you win by yourself. Hey, take a look.
Next, I'm going to do a transition effect so that the video will switch more dramatically. So just come to this place, this thing in between, click on it and it will automatically take you to transition. Choose any option you like, just look at the transitions and choose one. I'm sure you can notice the difference. So there are a lot of transitions and you can just test them and choose your favorite ones that you will always make use of. Another thing you have to know is that anytime the options you're seeing down here is not what you want, just click on this arrow and go back to see other things. Now I want to add a sticker to this ending so that the video will, because I'm saying go to description. So this thing is going to be pointing down, because my description is down. Another thing I want to do is to zoom out my video because it looks as if it's far, kind of. So just select the one you want and then go to your face and then use your two fingers. I've taught you how to zoom out before. Just use your two fingers and then zoom it out. Put two fingers on the screen and expand. That's how it zooms out. When we are done with all the adjustments, just click on this arrow here and download your video. So I have an advanced course that teaches this extensively, from how to generate a video, when you don't have an idea of what to make, to how to turn your audio to text and text to audio and the rest. And it's just for a token. Check the description below to buy the course. Thank you and God bless you.